News at 5.
Well, no surprise, but it has been very cold in central Illinois. But we here at WMBD use the below zero temperatures to have just a little bit of fun. Meteorologist Adam Sherwinski joins us now live in the Weather Center. And Adam, what are some of the experience you were testing out earlier today in this weather?
Enough that I should have been having more on, Shelby. With the extremely cold temperature weather earlier today, I took advantage of it by running a few fun tests outside that you can try at home. Just be sure to wear a few more layers than I did this morning. Meteorologist Adam Sherwinski here. We're going to try some fun experiments you can do in these cold temperatures this morning. Temperatures below zero in central Illinois. So first we're going to try the hot water experiment. First and foremost, as you're throwing this in the air, be cautious where you're throwing this at because, again, this could burn you a little bit or scald you a little bit. But watch as I throw it real quick. 3, 2, 1. Instantly, we've got a little bit of steam coming right out of there. Earlier we had a little bit more snow, it looked like coming out of it, but that's how cold temperatures are. It just instantly turns like that. Next we're going to start freezing some bubbles, and as we start freezing the bubbles, over time you'll notice that it instantly turns into some ice there right on the surface of the bubble. It instantly starts to freeze, whereas warm weather it starts to expand and pop. Not so much here when you have cold temperatures. Real easy one here, we're going to take a bottle of water and come back later and see what happens to it, how cold it gets, how frozen it gets, all the way through about an hour or so. But these cold temperatures, it's going to freeze up pretty quick here. Put it right about here. We're going to wait and see how long it takes before it finally, what happens in about an hour or so with it.
Not even an hour later, there's ice forming in the plastic water bottle. It's not very dense ice, and as I grabbed it, it crumbled up quite a bit. You can hear it slosh around. In the shade or in the sun or even in the snow and see what results you get.
Now, the bad news is the window to try these experiments is closing for now. Daytime highs are expected to be warmer this weekend and part of next week, but winter isn't over yet. Maybe the next time the thermometer drops to below zero, you can give these little fun activities a try. Shelby, my fingers are still thawing out right now.
Things our local weather authority does to keep us informed. Adam, thank you. Now let's take a look at